Imagine having nothing. No money, no connections, no special talents handed to you on a silver platter. Just a dream, a burning desire to change your life. Many of the most successful people in history started with nothing. But they didn't stay there. They found a way to rise, to build, to create something extraordinary out of nothing. And here's the truth. You can too. The only thing standing between you and everything you want is the decision to start and the discipline to keep going when things get hard. When you start from nothing, every step forward feels like a battle. You face rejection, doubt, and obstacles you never expected. But those who succeed understand something crucial. Your circumstances do not define your future. Your mindset does. The people who go from nothing to something aren't the ones who had it easy. They are the ones who refused to give up when things got tough. They used every setback as fuel to push forward, every failure as a lesson to grow stronger. Take the story of Howard Schultz. He grew up in a poor housing complex in Brooklyn. No one in his family had a college degree, but Howard had a vision. He saw the potential in a small coffee company called Starbucks, and through relentless hard work, through setbacks and rejection, he turned that small coffee shop into a global empire. What if he had let his background define his future? What if he had stopped when the first investor said no? He didn't, and neither should you. Starting from nothing doesn't mean you stay there. It means you begin a journey that most people are too afraid to take. Every day you show up, every effort you make compounds over time. Success isn't about making one huge leap. It's about taking small, consistent steps toward your vision. Even when no one believes in you, even when the world tells you it's impossible, you have to develop an unshakable belief that you are capable of more. The world will try to tell you who you are. It will try to limit you based on where you come from or what you lack. But the people who change their lives refuse to accept those limitations. They rewrite the narrative. They decide for themselves what is possible. Consider Oprah Winfrey. Born into poverty in rural Mississippi, she faced abuse, rejection, and endless obstacles, but she refused to let her past define her future. She worked tirelessly, mastering her craft, seizing every opportunity. Today, she is one of the most influential women in the world. Not because she had a privileged beginning, but because she refused to quit. You must develop resilience. The ability to keep going when everything in you wants to stop. There will be days when you question if it's worth it, when the weight of your dreams feels too heavy. But those are the days that define your future. Will you give up, or will you push through? The blueprint from nothing to something is simple, but it is not easy. First, you need a vision, a clear picture of the life you want to create. Without a vision, you will drift. With a vision, you have a destination. Write it down. Be specific. What do you want? Why does it matter? The clearer your vision, the stronger your drive. Second, take action. Dreams without action are just wishes. Start where you are with what you have. You may not have all the resources, but you have your mind, your effort, and your time. Use them. Take one small step every day. Over time, those small steps become massive progress. Third, embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the process. Every successful person has failed more times than they can count. What separates them from the rest is their ability to learn from those failures and keep going. When you fall, get back up. When you lose, learn the lesson. Every setback prepares you for a greater comeback. Finally, never stop learning. Growth is a lifelong process. Read books, study successful people, seek mentors. The more you learn, the more you can do. The people who go from nothing to something are relentless learners. They never stop improving themselves. Your past does not define you. Your mistakes do not define you. Your current circumstances do not determine your future. What defines you is the decision you make right now. Will you stay where you are, or will you take the first step toward the life you want? No one is coming to save you. No one is going to hand you success, but you have everything you need to create the life you want. It starts with a decision to stop making excuses, to stop waiting for the perfect moment, and to start right now. This is your time, your moment. You can go from nothing to something, but you have to want it, you have to work for it, and you have to believe, even when no one else does, that you are capable of achieving greatness. So what are you waiting for? The blueprint is simple. Have a vision, take action, embrace failure, and never stop learning. The rest is up to you.